pag dami ng pera mo, dadami rin yung problema mo. So kung hindi ka masaya ngayon at hindi mo kayang i-handle yung problema mo ngayon, paano pa pag mas malaki na yung problema mo? Kasi baka ang mangyari kung kailan mas marami kang pera, mas maging miserable ka. Kasi baka hindi mo kayang i-handle yung laki din ng problema. Kasi sa pagnenegosyo, tandaan nyo to ha, how do we expand the business? We get more customers. More customers means more problems to solve. More customers means a bigger team. A bigger team means more moving pieces, means more people, more problem. Kung hindi mo kayang i-handle yung sarili mo, yung problema mo, paano mo i-handle yung problema ng ibang tao? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, happiness is contained in who you become. It's all about who you become in the process of becoming a millionaire. Kasi as you progress, as you grow, nag-grow ka rin as a person. At pag nag-grow ka as a person, plus marami kang pera, dyan ka magiging masaya.